Sam Stovall is here, Chief Investment Strategist at CFRA Research. Could we get a Santa Claus rally? Is it possible between effectively Thursday and New Year's something good happens here?
Morning, Andrew. Well, I actually think we will. We'll probably eclipse the 6,100 level on the S&P 500. So I really think the market wants to sort of creep its way higher between now and the end of the year.
Why do you say that? Beyond the sort of holiday sentiment that everybody wants everything to go higher?
Right. Well, I think we got a little bit of good news with the PCE report last week coming in a little softer than anticipated. I think investors are still trying to weigh what was the hawkish cut that we saw last week and also the rhetoric following that. Really, the uncertainty that the Fed seemed to communicate about what it thought it should be doing, et cetera. But I think that when you continue to look at earnings growth expectations, the overall trend in inflation, I think the PCE number will be hot in the next month, but then start to work its way lower as we move further into 2025. So it's those kind of things that I think investors are going to be focusing on latter part of this year and into next year.
What do you want to, where would you be, quote, overweight in 2025, and what would you be underweight?
Well, I would be overweight the sectors that did well this year. If you go back to the early 90s and you look at up years in the S&P, you really want to let your winners ride for the following year. By doing so, owning the best three sectors into the new year, you end up outperforming the market by about 300 basis points on average, and do so 75% of the time. So communication services, consumer discretionary, information technology would be those groups that are likely to continue to do well.
But you would say the Mag 7 did tremendously well. Would you not touch then the Mag 7 in the new year?
No, I think you still touch some of the Mag 7. You also want to take a look at the top 10 sub-industries in the prior year and carry forward into the new year. That would outperform on average by about 800 basis points. And so a lot of those Mag 7 companies like Tesla in automobile, like Marvell in semiconductors, like Alphabet in the internet media, et cetera. So, I still think that you want to be holding on to those winners.